right, guys. Can't believe it, but it happened again. More fan mail. I'm just blown away at this point, to be honest with you. But this is from Ryan. Ryan hit me up, said he wanted to send me something, so hopefully there's no explosive devices in here. All right. First of all, what we got here? Hey Tyler, I've always appreciated your content and the personality you bring to the sport I've watched for 20 plus years. A personality like you should be on pit road every week. I appreciate that. Let's just say that would greatly improve the coverage we've been getting this season thus far. No doubt. After going through the remainder of my childhood NASCAR collection, I knew I couldn't just give this to anyone, and that's when I reached out to you. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I have over the years. Appreciate it. P.S. Little story before I go. The news clipping you see here is from my grandparents who have since passed. I'm sorry, Ryan. They lived in Florida and every week would mail me anything NASCAR they found in the paper. I always look forward to getting this mail. Found a cool Gordon win for it. Anyways, keep being you. Appreciate it, Ryan. So this is a news clipping from when Gordon won. Nice little news clipping from May 14th, 2007. The Tampa Tribune. Nice. Man, that's really cool. No, I appreciate that. All right, here we go. Starting us off, we got a hat. Check this out. Daytona Speed Weeks 2001. Holy shit, are we kidding? February 3 through 18, 2001. That's a legendary Speed Weeks in a very terrible way. That is a killer. Wow. This might be even better. Holy shitski. This is the 1995 NASCAR Winston Cup champion Jeff Gordon hat. Oh my God. Look at that. That's when they used to make good hats. They all suck now. Wow, that's unbelievable. Holy shit, man. What we got here? This is a Jeff Gordon from 1991. Oh, no way. No. This says 2002. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Are you kidding? That is a big time throwback. It is from 91. Look at that. Autolite spark plugs. Holy shit, man. Really? 1989 Thunderbird raced in 1991. Wow, when he was still a Ford. That is unbelievable. Holy shit, man. Really? Wow. I can't even fathom that one. Holy shit, man. Wow. Card stickers pin. Oh man, all right. We got a Jeff Gordon card here. I'm assuming we have a Jeff Gordon fan here. That's pretty cool. Pretty snazzy. And we got some stickers, some Sunoco stickers. Hell yeah. And then, oh, there's a little pin in here. A little Jeff Gordon pin. A little Jeff Gordon pin action. I don't know if that'll focus or not, but wow. Oh my God, and there's still more. Oh, okay. Wow. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? A 1985 Pro Debut Sprint car. Jeff Gordon's Sprint car. First ever Sprint car diecast. Dude, this is fucking awesome, man. Wow, are we kidding? That's crazy. What's this? Here we got all sorts of different cards. Jeff Gordon cards. Nice. That's one thing I haven't gotten into yet is the card collecting. Here we got like a little rally towel. Bristol's 100th Cup race Irwin's Tools Night Race 2010. Little rally towel. And then lastly, we have whatever this is. 1/64 scale, 24 karat gold commemorative Armed Forces die-cast replicas with United States of America flag. Comes in this nice looking tin. Oh my God. Wow. Let me get a close-up on that. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm afraid to even touch them. So we got Mike Skinner, Bobby Hamilton, Ricky Rudd, Dale Jarrett, and Jerry Nadeau. This is from May 28, 2000. With the American flag inside. Wow. Man. Ryan, I can't believe this. This is a major haul right here. Unbelievable. Wow. I'm like blown away. I still can't believe that. That's insane. Anyway, and then I forgot to throw this into the video the other day. Brother-in-law picked this up from the thrift store. Brand new with tags. Checkered Flag Sports. Only $14.95. 2003 Winston Cup Series. Brand new. Never been worn. Crazy deal. Anyway, yeah, wow. Ryan. What a haul, dude. Holy shit. I appreciate you. This is awesome. Damn.